Breaking news, guys. Oh my god, I cannot believe this just happened. But Apple officially releases AirPower after they told us that they were not going to release it. And I am in shock right now. I just woke up, I saw this. I cannot believe what I saw. I'm about to show you guys all the images just now. But I said to tell you guys, I cannot wait to see AirPower. I cannot wait to buy it. And I cannot wait to use it right next to my bed. I'm going to review it, give a full in-depth review. But I'm telling you guys right now, this is going to be an awesome product. Here it is, guys. I'm going to show you the web page. So let me know down below, what do you think of the new AirPower? This is everything. I'm not going to talk much, so take a look.